In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an empty object as a texture coordinate object. The sphere's material is following the location of the empty object, and this is very easy to make. Let's create a UV sphere. Press Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click to shade smooth. I'll share the material details shortly. Let's create a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll press the 3D button, and go to Object Mode to scale. In Edit Mode, I'll modify the shape like this. Let's add an empty object, and add a constraint to follow the curve circle like this. Here are the full nodes. This part is same as usual. On the texture coordinate node, we must use the object and use the empty object like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.